way older.
Is it older? Is that car older than you,
Look at this van.
Oh, cool.
Kalea, be careful. You want to look at it from the front? It's so cute.
Why is there a stall? Why is there a stall?
It's cool.
Why is there a stall though?
I don't know, but there's carpet everywhere.
There's even carpet right there.
Look at this one.
Is this an old stall convertible car? I gotta see the inside. Just look in the inside.
Oh, look at that one has a car seat in it.
Why?
Kalea, your feet. Forget. That one's nice. That one looks real nice. I like the color.
Well, look.
So cute.
Is that an older car than
Just
Yeah, come on. You like the insides of them?
wow.
Well, why is there a bag?
That's someone's bag. Right here.
Is this someone's car?
Yeah, all these are someone's car.
Put me down. I want to see the back.
Look at that one. It's on hydraulics.
Right, you know.
Which one's your favorite so far?
Maybe the van.
The van? Yeah.
Ooh.
The van's our favorite so far.
Daddy,
Hmm?
Daddy.
You want to see inside again? Here, you gotta put your down there. I'm nervous if you're carrying it. Your bag. No, not on her.
Boy, she might lose it.
Or drop it on your car.
Wow. Look at the bar. There's a bar.
Why?
Just in case you roll over.
Roll, yeah, the roll. Look at. Cool.
What's the roll bar for?
The bar's
Just a
inside.
reinforcement. So if you get in an
Kind
accident.
of cars Kalea
Look,
when
look.
Grandma was a teenager.
Which grandma?
These me
You?
when Robert was.
You'd
a
ride in
teenager.
these? Oh,
We'd
cool.
race in those.
That's recent.
Smells so good. And she's not even pink.
It's gone, Kalea.
Yeah, let's keep looking.
Tell me if any more are gonna turn on.
No, he had to go. Let's go. Ooh, this one's pretty. I love the color. This one's so pretty.
Daddy, could you give me another one?
This color's so nice.
Yeah.
Could you even give me
Come on,
another little
let's go.
boost? No, I'll
Huh?
quit.
You want to look inside? Have Daddy lift you.
I just
Don't touch, okay?
I saw the insides already. Daddy, you stick my head in. Why don't
No,
you just stick
no.
my little head in?
No.
Ah,
So pretty. I love the color. It looks nicer in person. Ooh, this one looks like it's for a wedding. Don't touch. She wants to look at the insides of all of them. There's a bug.
where?
That one.
The bud. What bud?
The Volkswagen.
What
Wait, this is from Greece.
Greece.
bud? Really? Oh, cool. Now I know what it looks. Now I know what the Grease car looks like in person. I got to see this.
Which one? I like the color. Don't touch. Chevelle.
Ooh, I like that one.
Does Stan have a Camaro?
No, he has Mustang.
Oh, Mustang. Mom. There's the last one.
Glad you reinforced that in me, you know?
There's the last one.
What I got.
Daddy, there's a little boost.
Kids like it, we like it, whatever. There's only so many to go around. You know, how many were
Why do
jumped?
all of these have big engines?
Because that's what it's all about.
I mean, like on this car, I see some areas where it kind of looks like rust underneath, but
It's tinted.
you can see where they've changed it
Look, it's for sale.
because they did a shitty well.
We could buy it.
Yep. Want to buy it?
Yeah. We got to buy this.
No way.
This one is on sale.
It's on sale. No, for sale.
Not
For
on
sale.
Uh-oh.
What?
Start walking in.
Are we gonna go in, or we just wanted to look at
He's nudging you. Oh,
it? Kalea.
that's another old store.
So out of all of them, which one's your favorite? Go over here, flat feet. Which one's your favorite?
The van, I think.
The van still?
This van?
No, the van over
This
there.
van?
Oh, the one that we first saw
The shaggy van
with the fur inside.
with the seats. It's like a little living room.
Scooby-Doo van.
Yeah, that's what it reminded me of.
When I first
Or the
met Stan,
the Dumb and Dumber.
He had a van like that, but not with the fur
Oh,
inside,
I
but
was
the
like,
van
really?
with the little sink and the.
It has a sink?
Yeah.
What?
Matter of fact, we went to the Grand Canyon in
Did
it.
he live in it?
No,
Probably.
No, he just told you he lived somewhere else.
Oh, actually,
it was like you remember Mr. Bird's van?
Yeah.
It was like that.
Do you remember what is that show? Something Rich and Famous, and then they would show the car. Yeah, lifestyles
Yeah.
of the rich and
The guy's
famous.
voice, that guy with the
But some of the cars had like a toilet and like
Yeah.
all kinds of random stuff. Are we going in? Or are we gonna look at the van again?
I don't know. I'm just walking towards the van. Because I want
You love this van.
to see if it has any more stuff. Can I get a little more seed from that store?
A little more C, no.
No.
Okay.
Here, go take a picture by your favorite van in the front.
We're gonna say do it from here.
Right here. Say cheese. Real smile. Cheese. Cute.
It's there, Sean. On this side.
What? What?
Where you wanna go?
It's too